This Millennial Realty property video is presented by Scott Rubson. Must see newly updated. This rocking chair front porch home features an open floor plan with an updated kitchen that includes granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. 3 spacious bedrooms and a large master bedroom with double closets. Master bathroom has a garden tub, double vanities and a walk-in closet. Large deck overlooking a flat, clear backyard. Outside storage shed included. This will not last long. Don't miss out. Non-refundable $50 application fee for all adults over 18. Anyone 18 or older living in home must apply and pay application fee. Pets are conditional, breed restrictions apply. Non-refundable pet fee of $400 per pet, no pets over 40 pounds, 2 pet max. No smoking. Renters